warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Fahri Balbawazir. My student number is 104. In here I will presenting my research proposal entitled Correlation between student learning motivation in using ICT and their speaking achievement in English education department. In chapter 1 there is an introduction, the background of the study. In the education aspect, the growth and development of information and communication technology or ICT is increasing rapidly. Everyone needs the quality and reliable information. The education aspect intensively makes innovation in applying information and communication technology to develop student motivation to learn. Education is a conscious and planned effort to create an atmosphere of learning and learning process so that students actively develop their potential to have spiritual strength, self-control, personality, intelligence, noble character, and the skill needed by themselves, society, nation, and state. In teaching learning language, there are many factors which influence the teaching learning process. One of the factor is student motivation learning in using ICT. Chair says that motivation is needed by giving simulation to somebody's interest. Skill is the important aspect. Speaking affect the speaking skills of the student. However, the purpose of the teaching learning speaking skills is how the teacher can improve the student motivation and communication skills as the way to express themselves, and also can go with the flow social development and technology, because the student must be face native speaker to interact directly. Speaking also requires mentality to interact with others. The ability to speak in class or on other occasion is a challenge because speaking represents our grammar encompassing sentence, representing pronunciation, fluency, and so on. People must understand the art of speaking learning foreign language and is proven if they can communicate with bring conservation in the target language. This research purpose to see the correlation between student learning motivation and speaking achievement before and after using media based on ICT. The positive and significant result is expected in this research because if there is a correlation in using ICT to improve the learning motivation in student speaking skills, then student speaking skills will also increase. Based on the background above, research is very interested in seeing the correlation of two aspects above in English education department student at Muhammadiyah University of Surakarta. Therefore, the research decided to carry out the research entitled Correlation between Student Learning Motivation in Using ICT and Their Speaking Achievement in English Education Department. And then the problem statement. Based on the background of the study, the research state the problem as follows. The first is there significant correlation between learning motivation in using ICT and speaking achievement. And the second, what is the percent significant correlation between learning motivation in using ICT and speaking achievement. The next is limitation of the study. Based on the problem identification, the research focus correlation between motivation learning in using ICT and speaking achievement. It is conducted in English education student at Muhammadiyah University of Surakarta. The next is objective of the study. The objective of the study are as follows. The first, to find out significant correlation between learning motivation in using ICT and speaking skills in English education department student. The second, to know what is the percent significant correlation between learning motivation in using ICT and speaking achievement. And the next is significance of the study. The research intends the result of the study is useful for the theoretical and practical readers. The first, theoretical significance. The result of the study can be made reference about learning strategy to other researchers who intend to analyze and conduct the speaking learning strategy and motivation in learning. The second, practical significance. For the teachers, the significance can be reference for the teachers to consider using ICT as a medium in developing learning motivation. For students, the students are expected to be able to improve their speaking skills and learning motivation in using ICT. For the readers, the research expect the readers can get more information about less or more benefit of using ICT for the medium in motivation learning and speaking achievement. For the research, this research might be a new experience and new knowledge about correlation between motivation learning in using ICT and speaking achievement. The next is underlying theory. The first is theoretical review. To complete this section of research, the research provide literature views relate to this topic of the study that are about learning motivation in using ICT and speaking achievement definition. In education, there are many factors to improve the learning process. One of the factors is motivation in learning. Motivation has a very important effect upon the attitude and behavior of student learning, and motivation that encourages academic will also determine student achievement or skill in that field. Motivation can be defined as a process where a goal directed activity was investigated and sustained consisting of inherent motivation. The motivation that comes from within a person and extrinsic motivation or motivation that arises because of encouragement for the outside. Inherent motivation is motivation that comes from individual himself, while extrinsic motivation is motivation that comes from outside the individual and support others to help bring up that motivation. One of the ways to get motivation is using ICT. ICT as a medium for teaching is becoming more and more acknowledged. How ICT can affect the student learning motivation. Recent review of a range of study on the effect of ICT on student motivation have identified a number of specific motivational aspects, including enhanced commitment to learning tasks, enhanced enjoyment and interest, increased self-esteem, and increases in independence and confidence. One of the studies review, which conducted by Gardner et al., was on the use of portable computer during one school year. 235 pupils from number of primary and secondary schools. ICT supports the modern principle of learning and language acquisition, individualization, interaction, and student motivation, often considered paramount in modern education theories, are necessarily a part of the process in ICT. In fact, students are basically motivated to do more in the time frame as a result of their higher perseverance effort and will do something different in an ICT environment that allows freedom choice. This theory also in line with what was predicted in Ryan and Desi's motivational theory. A well-balanced ICT environment will enable students to feel the above and stay motivated throughout the learning process. In learning language skills, there are four aspects that must be mastered, namely reading, listening, writing, and speaking. But of the four skills, speaking is considered the most important in learning a foreign language. Speaking considered the most important because it includes all the other skills can know the language. Besides speaking is the art of communication and one of the four productive skills that must be mastered in learning a foreign language, because speaking is the process of building and sharing meaning through the use of verbal and non-verbal symbols in a variety of contexts. There are several problems for speaking skills that teachers can encounter in helping students to speak in class, including the lack of student motivation to learn speaking. This is inhibition, lack of topical knowledge, low participation, and use of mother language. Next is previous study. To accomplishing this research, the writer used the previous research conducted dealing with the topic. The first research has been conducted by Maimun Aksa, entitled Language Learning via ICT Uses, Challenge and Issues. This research describes the use of ICT for learning English, the challenge faced by the student in using ICT for learning English, and their attitude towards the use of ICT in learning English among the urban school students. This paper also describes the benefit of using ICT in education. For example, ICT become powerful tools in presenting or representing information in different ways. The next research has been conducted by Ari Riswanto. This research focus to discuss matters relating to the motivation and learn and student achievement, with the aim of strengthening the importance of motivation in the learning process, so that a clear relationship with student achievement. The theory used by research is theory of learning outcome expressed by Keck. Cook states that learning is a set of cognitive processes that change the nature of environment simulation, passing information, processing, and become the new capabilities. The next is research method. The first research type. This research belongs to the quantitative research accordingly to Ari, Jacobs, and Sorensen. A quantitative research is a kind of research which deals with statistical analysis of numeric data and usually used to study relationship, cause, and effect. This type of research is divided into three subclasses, namely experimental, survey, and correlational research. This is a correlational research where it will analyze the relationship between two or more variables. According to Kay, correlational relationship method is a way to collect data of two variables in order to figure out whether there is a relationship between those variables or not. In line with this, the variable that research has been conducted are correlational between student learning motivation in using ICT and their speaking achievement. Data and data source. Population and sample population is the larger group that the research wish to learn about. The population for the study is the English Education Department student of Muhammadiyah University of Surakarta in academic year 2016. The research assumes that the last semester students have a competency of speaking since they have taken the speaking subject from semester 1. The students who are chosen as the population are the English Education Department students in Muhammadiyah University of Surakarta, where the total number is 257. In this research, the samples are chosen by using cluster sampling. Cluster sampling is a way of choosing a sample of research just based on the group within the place where we do the research. Then, since in Muhammadiyah University of Surakarta, there are 6 classes in English Education Department. There is a random class participated in this research. There were 21 students as a sample who follow the speaking test that the research distributed. And then data collection technique. Research instrumentation. There are 2 instruments used in this research. Those instruments are questionnaire and speaking test. The explanation for each instrument are as follow. Questionnaire, the instrument used to collect the data in this research adopted from Gardner, namely the attitude or motivation test battery or AMTB. This questionnaire is chosen because it has been used by many researchers that want to see the stage of motivation of their student. In addition, because the research is only going to see the motivation of the student, there are 34 points for motivation. Also, the questionnaire has been translated into Indonesian in order to make the student easier to understand each point of the questionnaire. The questionnaire are based on the indicator related with extrinsic and intrinsic motivation. According to Gardner in Istianti, extrinsic motivation, Gardner in Istianti says that there are some indicators related with extrinsic motivation, namely lecture, parents, and environment. Intrinsic motivation, Gardner in Istianti says that intrinsic motivation also has several indicators, namely effort, desire, and attitude. Speaking test, the other instrument used this research is speaking test. Speaking test is used examine the student speaking ability. In order to test speaking skills, the students are asked to do individual speaking tests with certain topics was given to each student 3 into 5 minutes.